Hello parents. Reading is a hobby which gets developed during childhood and becomes a passion at early age. You parents play a very vital role to develop reading habits among your children. Why are stories important? Stories create an emotional connection. With every story we hear, read, or listen, our mind makes cognitive connections and emotional connections that shape our perspective of the world. What do stories teach us? Stories teach us about life and develop an understanding, respect, appreciation for other cultures, and promotes positive attitude among people of different countries, religions, and cultures. Before I share importance of storytelling for children, please subscribe to our channel and share it with others. Please don't forget to press the bell icon. Importance of story reading for children at early age. Stories play a vital role in the growth and development of children. Reading stories are helpful for relaxation at bedtime. Stories help to develop child's imagination by introducing new ideas into their world. It will encourage your child to realize that they can imagine anything they want. Why is storytelling important in early childhood education? Storytelling helps your child to understand sounds, words, and language and develop early literacy skills. Storybook ignites your child's imagination and stimulates curiosity. It helps to develop your child's ability to focus, increase power of concentration, social skills, and communication skills. So parents, here are tips to follow when you read stories to your child. Read loud and clear. Take big-sized colored pictured book. Fix regular time for reading. What are the benefits of storytelling to children? It boosts your child's listening skills. It enhances communication skills. It helps to sharpen their memory. It makes learning more easier and interesting. It helps to improve their social skills. So parents, remember, stories and poems are much more than just reading or listening. They are instrumental in cognitive, social, and emotional development. Stories not only develop children's literacy, they also convey values, beliefs, attitude, and social norms which sharpen their perceptions of reality. Reading inspires them to become a budding writer in future.
One story every night was kind of a rule.
My father sometimes reads it and sometimes I read it by myself. Fake stories.
Yeah, when I was young, my mother used to read me bedtime stories, but not anymore.
That's the root cause, I believe, When we listen to so many stories, so our imagination starts working automatically.
These three young writers developed their writing passion at very early age and nurtured their imaginations, which motivated them to reflect their thoughts in writing. So parents, give them chance to achieve their dream to be a writer and flourish their imaginations, which would come out through their pen.
I have 4 works that have been published on paper. One is sent into a video competition online on YouTube.
Okay.
So in that one there was a second prize. Then there's an annual competition hosted by a children's magazine.
Okay.
And they published 2 of my stories. In the first one I got a special mention. In the first one I got a pat on the back, which is like there are thousands of participants, so they pick a few they think are good, so they give them a pat on the back award. Then there was, this year I got a special mention, and I have, other than that, they have a few, even Champak published 2 of my riddles, and the same children's magazine, CW, I'm talking about, published 4 of my stories.
If you want to publish their write-up, see our description box for options. So keep reading, stay happy, stay safe. Bye bye.